And hello there, Ultraman fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to another episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is the figurized standard Ultraman suit Taro action. So, I think Taro was introduced in the season 2 of the Ultraman Netflix anime series, and yep, it just reflects here in his box art. The Taro suit, and yeah, actual flames going out. And off to the side, we see here Ultraman Taro build back and forth, some gimmicks and poses, and of course the fire effects that you can have with him, and of course the choice in building his body that could house a LED light or a LED unit or not. Up to the other side, we see here Ultraman Taro, some details about him, and yes, here we see Taro together with Ultraman 7.5. I mean, with the Ultraman suit 7.5. So let's see and open up what's inside the box. We first see one bag with the flame effects, clear orange, and some sticker sheets. Second bag is we have a clear white and all black and some transfer sheets, dry transfer sheets that is. Third bag we have all gray, all red, and a clear blue. Next bag we have the all red and the standard stand. Another bag that won't come out is one sprue for all yellow, all black, and all gray. And lastly, yes, we have the instruction manual. So let's take a look individually at the sprues. So first up, we have the A1, which is all gray, actually silver grayish, for the silver parts of Taro and the weapon, and an A2, which is actually compromises of this half of the A1 and some new parts at the parts for the chest and the face, or rather the head. And we have a B1, which is all red, and a B2, which includes this part of B1 and some new parts here. We also have a C1, which is all black, and a C2, which is again the same as the A and B sprues. This portion plus some new parts here. So that's the C. We also have the D1, which is the flame effects, and a D2, which is the clear parts. An E1, which is the all yellow, the yellow parts for Taro, and an E2 for a clear blue, and finally some sticker sheets. Yep, and the transfer. And we cannot forget, yes, of course, the standard stand. And there you have it, Ultraman fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the figurized standard Ultraman suit Taro action. And this is Mixerwars saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, sharing other videos, and viewing other videos. And until next time, see you and thank you.